Hi, in front of me I have CUBOT P40 and I'm gonna show you a few secret codes you can use on this device. Let's start by opening the phone app. To do it, tap on this icon right here. In the app, let's tap on this icon to open the keypad. And now we can enter the first code, which is *#06#, and this code opens the email info menu. Here you can check the email numbers of your device. Okay, let's tap OK to close this and enter another code, which is *##463#*##. And this code opens the phone information, or rather testing menu. Here we can tap on phone information to check the information about our phone. We can also run the ping test, and at the bottom we have a few more options. Also, you can tap on more option icon, and you have options like select radio band, view SIM address book, view fixed dialing numbers, view service dialing numbers, IMS service status, enable data connection. Okay, let's go back. Here we have usage statistics. Let's tap on it, and in this menu you can check for how long each app was used. For example, phone was used for 1 minute and 31 seconds, settings for 39 seconds, calendar storage for 0-2, and so on and so on. Okay, let's go back, and at the bottom we have Wi-Fi information. You can tap on it. Here we have Wi-Fi API, Wi-Fi config, and Wi-Fi status. You can tap on Wi-Fi API, and here you have some options for your Wi-Fi like disable network, disconnect, enable network, get configured networks, and get connection info. Next option is Wi-Fi config, and here you can check the status of your configured networks. And at the bottom we have Wi-Fi status, and we can check the status of your Wi-Fi. Okay, let's close this and enter another code, which is *#*225**#*, or rather now #*#*. And this code opens the calendar info menu. Here you can check the events on your calendar, holidays, and stuff like that. Okay. And the last code I want to show you is *#426#*##. And this code opens the FCM diagnostics menu. Here you can tap on events to check the status or events. You can also tap on more options icon, select advanced view to get more information. And then you can also switch between status and events. And that should be all. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.